Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an opportunities created by week report in Salesforce. This report is incredibly useful for tracking when new opportunities are being generated in your pipeline, helping you spot trends and measure your team's prospecting activity over time. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to start building your report. Go to the app launcher, which is the grid icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce screen, and click on it. This opens up all the available apps and features in your Salesforce environment. In the search box that appears, type reports and then click on reports from the results. This takes you to the main reports page where you can view existing reports or create new ones. Now click the new report button at the top right of the reports page. You'll be presented with a screen asking you to choose a report type. In the search box labeled choose report type, type opportunities. From the list of report types that appears, select opportunities. This tells Salesforce that you want to create a report based on your opportunity data. Once you've selected it, click Start Report to open the report builder where we'll configure everything. Next, we need to set up the filters to focus on created opportunities. Click the Filters tab on the left side of the report builder. You'll see various filter options available. Look for the date filter that currently shows close date and click on it to change the field. From the drop-down, select Created Date instead. This is important because we want to track when opportunities were created, not when they're expected to close. Now click the Range drop-down for Created Date and select the time range you want to analyze. For example, you might choose all time if you want to see all historical data, or you could select this year or last quarter depending on your needs. After selecting your range, click Apply. Also confirm that opportunity status, if it's shown in your filters, is set to any. This ensures all created opportunities are included in your report, regardless of whether they're open, closed, won, or closed, lost. Now comes the key part, grouping opportunities by week. Click the Outline tab on the left side of the report builder. This is where you control how your data is organized. In the Group Rows section, click the drop-down and select Created Date. This adds Created Date as a grouping field. You'll see it appear as a pill in the Group Rows area. Hover over the Created Date grouping pill and you'll notice a small drop-down arrow appears on it. Click that arrow to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Group Dates By. This opens up different ways to group your date data. Select Calendar Week from the Group Dates By options. This is what transforms your report into a week-by-week view, showing you exactly how many opportunities were created in each calendar week. Finally, it's time to save and run your report. Click the Save and Run button at the top right of the report builder. A dialog box will appear asking for report details. In the report name field, type something descriptive like opportunities created by week. This makes it easy to find later. You'll also see fields for report unique name and report folder. Confirm these settings or adjust them based on your organization's folder structure. Once everything looks good, click Save to finish. Your report will now display showing your opportunities grouped by calendar week based on when they were created. You can now easily spot which weeks had high or low opportunity creation, helping you understand your sales team's activity patterns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.